Hello guys, welcome to another episode of The Chronicles of Random Designs, written and curated by Victor Manyonga for Creative Espaco. So one night, Victor thought of an idea to redesign the classic Mazoe orange crush, just for fun. In this scene, Victor is making a mood board for idea generation, so keep watching. According to Victor and many other graphic designers, platforms like Pinterest, Dribbble, and Behance have really good images and designs for inspiration or ideas. Here, you can see that Victor has gathered all the images he thought he could use as reference points when trying to create the design. After putting all the images together, he then starts to highlight the font types that are commonly used, the color schemes that go together with the brand, and any other detail that he might find useful to the design. Remember, this is just an idea-generating technique, so don't be afraid to try new things and stepping out of your comfort zone. Be creative. So Victor now has a rough idea of what he wants to design. This is what we use mood boards for. They help you come up with concept ideas in a short space of time without taking hours waiting for your creativity superpower to kick in. So in the next video, Victor will take us through the sketching phase all the way to the final design. See you in the next video.